novo aqui na Arnold Classic Brasil e fazer algumas perguntas para ele. Hi Anthony, how are you?
Good, you?
Yeah, fine. And is it your first time in Brazil?
Oh yes, it was our fourth Universal USA road trip. The first one was Vegas, then we did Columbus, Ohio for the Arnold, then we did Germany. Germany was very fun, but like the weather was like great all the time. But here the weather beautiful. It was the prettiest of all the road trips we did. As far as scenery goes, the weather and everything, and it was very fun. So I hope I come next year.
Yeah. And what do you think about this expo, the first time in Classic Brazil?
The main difference I can see is from the other ones I went to is like let's take Germany for example, the FIBO. Everybody is like reserved, you know, and everybody is like not as you hear people are more friendly. They're more like it's like hey, come here and picture. No. It's like it's more like a birthday here.
Yes.
It's like a holiday almost. The Arnold here. Yeah, so that's why I found that was the most different about this Arnold Classic Brazil.
Okay, talk something about your routine. Like, what is diet on a trip? Is it difficult? So difficult?
Yes, it was very difficult. Here was not too bad. In Germany, it was horrible because in Germany, like everything closes early, and the food for bodybuilding in Europe is not very good. Like it's not made for I would never live there, even though it's beautiful and everything. People are cool. But here in Brazil, I was in the same hotel every night, so I would make groceries around the corner. I would cook my chicken and everything, and I would eat canned tuna with my veggies like all day. So it was good. The only thing that was hard is because when you're calorie deficit, close to a show, you have less energy. So walking around the town, everything with the heat and stuff, it makes you tired. But I still had a lot of fun, and it was harder, but I did it.
Okay. Can you say something words to Brazilian fans?
Well, Brazilian fans, you guys are very cool. I hope you guys bring me back next year. And make sure to check out all the videos on the Universal USA YouTube channel. It's Universal USA 77. All the road trip from Brazil is going to be there. We went to all the beach, we went to Sugarloaf, we did a lot of cool stuff, so you guys have to check that out.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Good luck for your competition, and I hope to see you more times in Brazil.
All right, me too. Thank you.